You walk into a restaurant. The waiter comes to your table and says, "Hi there, are you ready to order?" And you freeze. You smile. You point at the menu. Today, that never happens again.
By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say in every restaurant situation, from walking in to paying the bill, in natural, confident English.
Welcome, everyone. My name is John.
And my name is Emily. So happy you are here today.
How are you doing, Emily?
Honestly, John, I am starving. Can we please get to the restaurant part quickly?
Perfect timing then, because today we are taking you inside a real restaurant and teaching you every single phrase you need to eat out confidently in English.
Whether you are traveling, living in an English-speaking country, or just want to practice, this lesson is going to be extremely useful. Let us go in.
Okay, Emily, you just walked into the restaurant. The host comes to greet you. Listen carefully.
The host says, "Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?"
Here are 3 natural ways to respond.
Response 1. If you have a reservation. Yes, we have a reservation under the name Emily. Table for 2.
Response 2. If you do not have a reservation. No, we do not. Do you have a table available for 2?
Response 3. If you are not sure about the wait. How long is the wait for a table for 2?
Very natural phrases. Repeat after me. Do you have a table available for 2?
How long is the wait?
We have a reservation under the name John.
Now, the host takes you to your table and says, "Right this way, please. Here is your table. Your server will be with you shortly."
Natural response. Thank you so much. Or, perfect, thank you.
Say it. Perfect. Thank you.
Now you are sitting down. The waiter comes and says, "Hi there, my name is Mike, and I will be taking care of you today. Can I start you off with something to drink?" Start you off. This means, what do you want first, before your food? Very common phrase in restaurants. Natural responses. Could I please get a glass of water to start? Or, I will have a cola, please. Or, can we have a few more minutes to look at the menu? Say it. Could I please get a glass of water to start? Can we have a few more minutes to look at the menu? Now you are reading the menu. You do not understand something. Here is what to say. "Excuse me, what is in the chicken pasta?" Or, "Is this dish spicy?" Or, "What do you recommend?" What do you recommend? This is a fantastic phrase. It asks the waiter for their opinion. Native speakers use this all the time. Say it. What do you recommend? "Excuse me, is this dish spicy?" What comes with the grilled chicken? Now the waiter comes back. Are you ready to order? Here is how to order naturally and confidently. "I will have the grilled chicken, please." Or, "I would like the pasta with tomato sauce." Or, "Can I get the beef burger with fries?" Notice, I will have, I would like, can I get. These are the 3 most natural ways to order in English. Never say "I want." It sounds too direct and a little rude. Say it. "I will have the grilled chicken, please." I would like the pasta with tomato sauce. Can I get the beef burger with fries? Now, what if you want to make a small change to your order? Could I have the salad without onions, please? Or can I substitute the fries for a salad? Or could I get the dressing on the side? Substitute means replace one thing with another. On the side means separately, not mixed in. Say it. Could I have it without onions, please? Can I substitute the fries for a salad? Could I get the dressing on the side? Your food arrives. The waiter puts it on the table and says, "Here you go. Enjoy your meal. Is there anything else I can get you?"
Natural responses. This looks amazing. Thank you. Or, actually, could I get some extra napkins? Or, could we get some ketchup, please?
Say it. This looks amazing. Thank you.
Could I get some extra napkins, please?
Now, what if something is wrong with your order?
Excuse me, I think there might be a mistake with my order. I ordered the grilled chicken, but I got the fried chicken. Or, I am sorry, but this is not what I ordered.
Notice, I think there might be a mistake. This is polite and calm. You are not being rude. You are just pointing out the problem. Say it. Excuse me, I think there might be a mistake with my order.
I am sorry, but this is not what I ordered. Now the best part. Paying the bill. Or maybe not the best part.
So, how do you ask for the bill naturally?
Could we get the bill, please? Or, excuse me, whenever you are ready, could we have the check? Or, we are ready to pay whenever you are.
In American English, it is the check. In British English, it is the bill. Both are correct.
Say it. Could we get the bill, please?
Whenever you are ready, could we have the check?
Now the waiter brings the bill. Here are some useful phrases.
Could we pay separately, please? Or, we will pay together. Or, could I pay by card? Or, do you accept contactless payment?
Say it. Could we pay separately, please?
Do you accept contactless payment?
And one last thing. Leaving a compliment as you go.
The food was absolutely delicious. Thank you so much. Or, we really enjoyed the meal. Or, the service was excellent.
Say it. The food was absolutely delicious. Thank you.
We really enjoyed the meal.
Let us quickly go through all the key phrases from today. Repeat each one out loud.
Do you have a table available for two?
Can we have a few more minutes to look at the menu?
What do you recommend?
I will have the grilled chicken, please.
Could I have it without onions, please?
This looks amazing. Thank you.
Excuse me, I think there might be a mistake with my order.
Could we get the bill, please?
Do you accept contactless payment?
The food was absolutely delicious.
You now have everything you need to walk into any restaurant in any English-speaking country and handle every single situation with complete confidence.
Your homework today. Next time you eat out or even order food online, use at least 3 phrases from today's video.
If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. We upload new English lessons every single day.
Share this with a friend who wants to improve their English. You will really be helping them. See you in the next video. I am Emily.
And I am John.
Keep speaking. Bye!